On the question whether a woman can be denied maternity benefits just because she is undergoing training period, the Madras High Court has upheld the single judge order granting paid maternity leave to the petitioner. In this case, the petitioner was sponsored through the employment exchange for the position of assistant engineer at the Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation of Coimbatore. The petitioner got married prior to her appointment and was expecting her first child at the time of joining. The single judge bench of the Madras High Court squashed the Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation orders which had refused granting of maternity benefits to the petitioner. The court also directed the Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation and others to treat the said 180 days of the petitioner's leave as duty period for all purposes. The court relied upon, among other cases, at the Municipal Corporation of Delhi versus Female Workers Muster Roll, the case of the year 2000, wherein it was held that female workers, even working on casual basis or on muster roll on daily wage basis, should be given maternity benefit, and a woman employee cannot be compelled to undertake hard labor at the time of her advanced pregnancy. Further, the court also said that a woman is not a pendulum and she cannot be forced to swing between motherhood on one hand and employment on the other, as the maternity benefit relates to the dignity of a woman. Therefore, the Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation's order depriving maternity leave and other benefits to the respondent is ex facie bad in law and has no legs to stand upon and should vanish.